Last one on this, Prof, before we wrap up. Last one on this insecurity. The 200 American military personnel the Donald Trump sent with the equipment, where are they actually? Where are they? No, I need to ask you because I don't know. Where are they?
That's why you should be asking the Minister of Defense, the CDS.
I've asked the Minister for the even when it was CDS, I've asked him for an interview over and over and over again.
So what I'm saying is that these are the people, the Minister of Defense, the CDS, the National Security Advisor. They are the ones, and they're not doing you a favor. Absolutely. They're not doing us a favor. Absolutely. They are doing the job they are paid heavily to do. Tell us what is happening. Nobody has told us anything. None. Nobody. Nobody has told us what they signed when they went to the United States. Nobody has told us why they're here. Nobody has told us where they are. Nobody has told us where they are going to do, for how long, what are the terms of agreement. And my advice to our American partners, we need them, yes, we do. But they know. They are from the United States, a functioning democracy. Nothing is legal until it's ratified by the Congress. Whatever agreement was signed in Washington, D.C., if it's not ratified by our National Assembly, it is null and void. What I want them to do, what I ask them to do, what I urge them to do, is to get this thing, whatever arrangement, security arrangement they sign with our Nigerian security partners, to be reviewed and ratified by our National Assembly. End of story. The way it is now, it is an illegality. It is.